Hello, welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. It's not winter, it's not summer. What we can say? Bosonto eshe geche. Okay, so right now what I am planning to cook a very simple recipe. It's Badhakofi Bharta. Curry. I cannot say curry. It's a mishmash, and that is with cabbage. You don't have to. It's not a oily one. It's not a spicy one, but it's very tasty. So at this point of time, these cabbages, they are not much tasty, but still we have to eat some veggies, and we are going back to diet definitely, because in winter we had lots of spicy food. Still my mouth is watering. Okay, we have kebabs and everything, so we have to go back to diet slowly. So why don't we start with this Badhakofi? It's definitely, it's a weight cutter, but right now we cannot start with a heavy diet, very strict diet. So that's why we are trying something like little less spicy, tasty something. So I'm going to show you how to start your diet. Okay, if you're going to do a very strict diet, then it's not for you, because I'm going to use little bit of oil over here, mustard oil, সরষে তেল. Are, after all, we are Bengali. Without সরষে তেল, এই glowটা কি থাকবে? We cannot have this glow right now. So I'm going to have this Badhakofi Bharta. I will eat this with brown rice, and definitely with I don't digest quinoa, so I eat with dalia, and even if you want, you can have this with roti. If anybody is doing the diet with roti, you can have this with roti as well, but I will prefer with rice and little bit of dal, like plain masoor dal or mushuri dal. So let's go to the recipe, and obviously I hope you will try this recipe and let me know. So let's go to the recipe. So welcome to Madhurima's kitchen. It is my kitchen and my new kadai. So I'm going to cook the Badhakofi Bharta. I'm showing you the ingredient at first. And here is my shredded cabbage or Badhakofi or bandgobi. And then these are very few ingredients. Chopped garlic, and then sliced onion, sliced tomato. I'll use it for cooking. And I have this dry red chili and little bit of green chili. You can increase that, and lots of chopped fresh coriander and chopped onion. So that's it. This I will later I will use. I will fry this one at first. So let's start with the cooking, and I will cook it in mustard oil, সরষে তেল. By the way, this kadai is induction based, as well as you can use it in the gas stove. So I'm using here, and I can cook it very fast with the help of this kadai. This is a new one. Don't worry, I'm not promoting this. First of all, I'll heat some mustard oil. It's 1 tablespoon around, and I will fry this red chili. Now I will add the red chili and I will fry it till it is crunchy. So I have to fry it. I know that you all know how to fry the dry red chili, so I'm not going to show it. Just I have to fry it, and I'll keep it aside. So already it's done. It's crunchy. It's very hot right now. Now I will proceed with the cooking process. First, I will add this onion, followed by that garlic chopped garlic. These are the really very few ingredients I am using in this Badhakofi Bharta. A quick recipe and a really good one. You can have it in winter as well as in summer. In summer also you are getting Badhakofi right now, cabbages. So in that time you can have this also for a change. But I will prefer it in winter. Yummy one. So I will fry this onion till they are little bit brown. Now you can see the color is changed a bit. Now I will add the cabbage or Badhakofi over here. No need to add any water, because we are going to fry it, the bharta. So I'm adding all the cabbages over here. and little bit of salt. Not much. Then I will give it a stir. And at this stage I will add tomato. Again a stir. I am not adding any water, but I will cover it in low or medium till the cabbages are soft. So I will cover it at this stage and I will leave it for cooking. Now I will check if the cabbages are soft or not. So I can see it's soft, and now I will cook it in high flame so that it will dry up. Now I have to dry it up, so it is soft. So in a high flame I have to leave it so that the water will be evaporated. Okay, so the Badhakofi is already dried up. What we can say in Bengali, bhaja bhaja hoye geche. So at this point I will switch off the gas and then I will leave it for cooling in the room temperature. Once it is coming in the room temperature, I'll do the rest of thing, the mixing part. When it's super hot, don't add in this recipe, don't add this dhania pata, coriander and kacha lanka. It will be cooked and the taste will change. If you don't have time, then you can do it. If you have time, then leave it for cooling. Once it is in room temperature, I will mix up everything and Badhakofi Bharta will be done. And I am back. Now it's in room temperature. So I will add rest of the ingredients and I will prepare the bharta, the final stage. So this is the bhaja shukno lanka, dried red chili. I used only one. You can use 2 or 3 if you want, according to your spice meter. And then green chili chopped. Again, it's less for me. And the dhania patta, chopped onion. So I will add this. And now mustard oil, shorshe tel. It's important. I am using 1.5 teaspoon kacha shorshe tel and sprinkle of salt. Now I will mix it properly, the makha or bharta. This is really very tasty. I prepared it before and then I am sharing the recipe, because sometimes when I do the diet, I think for a cheat day. So this is for a cheat day and a good recipe, quick one. So our bharta is done. It's very quick and easy, and bharta is always taste good if you do this mixing with your hand, obviously the clean hand. And now I will serve it. So here, and sometimes I just add lemon juice as well, and it's really very tasty. It's done. You can enjoy this bharta with plain rice, shada bhat and musuri dal. That will be really heaven. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. You can check it in Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page. You can check Instagram Madhurima's Kitchen, and if you want to order food from me, so you can always check Facebook or Google Madhurima's Kitchen or Zomato. So enjoy your Badhakofi Bharta recipe and let me know.